Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy affiliate marketing with Abercrombie and Fitch, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching the Abercrombie and Fitch affiliate program. Visit their official website to find information about their affiliate opportunities. Look for the affiliate links or partner program section. Read through the program details to understand commission rates, terms, and conditions. Next, sign up for the affiliate program. Complete the application form with accurate information. Provide details about your website or social media platforms. Wait for approval from Abercrombie and Fitch to join their affiliate network. Once approved, log into your affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the tools and resources available. Explore different products and promotional materials offered by Abercrombie and Fitch. Choose products that align with your audience's interests. Generate unique affiliate links for the selected products. Create engaging content that promotes these products. Write blog posts, create social media posts, or film videos showcasing the items. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within your content. Utilize eye-catching images and compelling descriptions to attract attention. Track the performance of your affiliate links using the dashboard. Analyze which products perform well and adjust your strategy accordingly. Consider seasonal promotions or sales to boost your affiliate earnings. Engage with your audience to build trust and encourage purchases. Maintain consistency in your content to keep your audience engaged over time. Regularly check for new products or updates from Abercrombie and Fitch. Stay informed about their latest promotions to maximize your earning potential. Experiment with different marketing strategies to see what resonates best with your audience. Continuously learn and adapt your approach to improve your results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.